Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 4th of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Palantir today. Give you all the truth, the uncomfortable truth. Some of you all may think it's uncomfortable, but I give you all aspects of the markets just by looking at the price chart. If it's a good idea, if the market looking positive, then I tell you the information. If it's looking negative, if it's looking negative, then I'll show you that as well. So real quick, let's talk about the price action in Palantir against my last price prediction. Let me zoom in on the chart. You all can see it. It was here on the 15th of January. Looking for the price in Palantir to go up. Now, let me give you all an idea or an example as to why I don't push stop losses. The ones that's actually placed on the exchange, just sitting there that everyone can see that you're willing to lose. The only stop losses that I push are the ones that only you know about. You need to hold your stop losses to yourself and don't let the exchange know where you're willing to lose. Because you guys can tell, for example, that I have my area of support at $6.50, right? Now, the idea that I was looking forward to in Palantir was price to go up, right? Now, let's say that I had a stop loss at $6.50, right? Let's just say I did on the exchange, sitting there waiting to be executed. Right here on the 24th of January, the market opened in Palantir down here at $5.84. I would have gotten stopped out on this day. But take a look. The price prediction was correct, right? Yeah, we were actually sitting in a prime area to where we could have recouped. We could have profited into the market 14.75%. Now, if I would have had a physical stop loss on the exchange waiting to be executed, I would not have garnered this 14.75% profit. That is why I tell everyone on my channel, if you want to use stop losses, only you need to know where it is. Keep it into yourself. Hold it tight to the chest. Don't tell your opponent, your competition, where you're willing to lose, because that's literally what stop losses are for. The ones that are actually placed on the exchange. Now, the stop losses that you hold to your chest and that only you know about, that gives the competition, your opponent, the market, a harder time as knowing where you're at, where you're willing to lose. So hold it to the chest, keep it to yourself. That's just one indication, one example. Okay. Now, 14.75% was garnered into the market in Palantir. Now we need to talk about the uncomfortable truth. Did you see what happened in the market in Palantir the last 2 days? Okay. Let me zoom in and show it to you, because this has a massive correlation as to why price has gone down. Okay. Right here, starting on the 2nd, going into the 3rd. Now, why would these 2 days matter? Well, let's go back into history and see what happened in Palantir when price last traded at $9. So, take a look. I'm going to take this line here to make it aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. That the last time that Palantir came up to $9, check this out. What happened to the price then? What happened? Did the market continue to go up? Nope, it went down. Back here in October in 2022. So the market in Palantir hasn't been back to $9 since October. Now, the market successfully has came back to that price level, but we're seeing selling. Market is still weak here. Now, what does it mean? It means that sellers are in the market in Palantir at $9. Okay. So momentarily, we can say that the market has stopped going up. It's pumped the brakes. The next thing, the next objective for us to see now is buyers. Okay. We need to see how low price has to go before buyers come in and begin buying again. Okay. That's the first objective. We need to figure that out, because until that time, market can go all the way back down to this trend line in Palantir. Here's another trend. Okay. These are all areas that we need to think about buyers. Where are they? Now, let's start out in Palantir on the weekly chart first. Okay. Now, the last 2 weeks, with where price closed, we can say that there was selling. Okay, look at this weekly price bar right there. Look at where the market closed. It closed off of the highs, meaning that this is where selling came through. Even here on the prior week, look at that. This is where sellers is coming into the market in Palantir. All right, cool. Let's look at the market in Palantir on the 5-day. Same idea, okay? Same price bar, pretty much resembles the weekly chart. Look at Palantir on the 3-day. Now, this definitely gives us a massive indication of selling. Not only did the market close on the low of that 5-day, on the 3-day price chart, we closed already at the bottom, but the volume also is coming as well. That definitely tells me that people came in and took profit. People came in and wanted to get out to play. That's definitely weakness there. Okay. Look at Palantir on the 2-day. This is the uncomfortable truth. Many people don't want to hear that price is weak or is predicted to go down. Everyone wants everything to shoot to the moon. But that is not how the market works. It has its ebbs and flows. And right now the flow looks like it's going to go down. Okay. Now, another negative thing is that when Palantir was trading here back in October, there were times to where the market hit that as resistance. Market currently is closing below that area. We don't like that. Okay. Because if this market in Palantir truly was bullish, if the buyers were really antsy and they wanted to get more of their hands onto some Palantir stock, they would have bought it above this area. But instead, the market closed below it. Another indication that price is weak. Okay, so now, how should we play this then? Well, I'm not going to be bullish right now because I identified where sellers are. Okay, the objective now is to see buyers come into the market to keep the price from falling further. Where is that level? Let's try to anticipate it. So we already know that $9 is where the current area of resistance lies in Palantir. Okay. And we may see buyers come into the market and start buying again in Palantir here first. Okay, so this is going to be our first price level or price target right here, 4.88%. Okay. That is around $7.99 or $8. I like to round up because to you, in order to get the price on the head, that's nearly impossible. So I'll just simply give you all an area to where we can see price move. Buyers could come in there. My second price level is going to be here. Gives us 8.25, $7.71. Then my third one, it's going to be around $7.50. That's 10.6%, $7.50. Okay, those are my levels that I am anticipating the buyers to come back into this stock and try to keep the market up, keep it propped up. Now, if they don't show up at any of those three levels, then we're going to have to continue to decrease our forecast, looking for Palantir to go lower. Okay, so we just need to see how low the market goes right now. That's it. Now I'm done. We just simply kick back, let the market trade. And as we get more and more information displayed on the chart, it gives us more and more information that we need to react to. If we begin to see buyers come into the market earlier than what I anticipate, then we need to start playing the bullishness of the market in Palantir. But from what I'm seeing on the charts, it looks weak right now. Okay, so I am done. Everyone, go ahead and give me your thoughts. Welcome to the team, to those who are new. If you guys want to learn more, or if you guys just want to get a heads up as to when I'm dropping my price predictions, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button as well. Share the video to anyone that you think may be interested in learning how this game is meant and how you can also be a predictor of stocks the unconfusing way. I'm here. Join me.